He's measuring out 2
tablespoons of active dry yeast for crusty white bread.
That'd be 1.
Not quite. One. Two.
2 tablespoons of active dry yeast.
1 tablespoon of white sugar, because it says to mix it with the water.
So you got to get the sugar in there now.
Whoops. And 2 tablespoons of, 2 cups of warm water. Turn it brown.
And that's got to sit for how long?
Well, according to the package, 10 minutes. Must stand until creamy about 10 minutes.
Okay, so we'll be back in about 10 minutes to see where it goes.
In a large bulk. Oh, yeah.
That's the yeast after it's...
Yeast and sugar. Should I mix it up again? Oh, yeah. Now I gotta get the milk.
We're not using goat milk right now because of...
1 cup of milk.
1 cup of milk. Not using goat milk right now because our goats
Milk, butter,
are pregnant.
flour, salt, stir well and combine. Okay, I guess I need to mix it all. I'm gonna have to. This would probably be better.
We are cooking in the church kitchen right now because it's a much bigger kitchen than we've got. So.
6 cups of bread flour.
How much?
6. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. We should probably get some of that kosher salt, the thick, chunky salt. And a tablespoon of salt. Milk. The cup of milk. The softened egg, 2 tablespoons of butter. And the yeast, sugar, and water mixture. This one's fun. And gotta mix it. I did it wrong. But that's okay.
What'd you mess up on that?
I was supposed to put 4 and then the remaining in here.
Yeah.
But that's okay. It still works. Ugh. Okay. He's over there. Ugh.
Hey, it's the bread maker. I'm going to need yours to eat my lunch. Oh, okay. Oh. What I do is wash my hands.
Now I'm gonna need it on the flour surface.
You gotta let it rise, don't you?
No,
Yeah.
no. When the dough has been pulled together, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead until smooth and supple, about 8 minutes. Light a large mixing bowl, place dough in the bowl, turn the cover with a damp cloth and let rise for an hour. This is the hard part. Okay, I need regular flour, don't I?
Yeah.
Okay. The hazards of making bread. I look like a monster. That should be enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hell. There's a hair.
Or
No. Wonder, would a rolling pin be needing it too or no?
no, what you do with your knuckles, Renee, like Renee is showing you.
Something like this.
That's not a video bread, is it?
Mm-mm.
Something else?
Mm-hmm.
So I just read your poster. Did you know that? 7 cups a week, 7 cups of 1 cup of marmalade, quarter cup of pinto beans, quarter cup of whatever that is.
It's been 8 minutes yet.
I don't know about that.
Let me rinse this out. Now I got oil in that.
You don't need a lot of oil.
Mm-hmm. Oil it up. And I gotta cover it with a wet towel. And put it in a warm place.
That's warm in here.
No, if I stick it over here, it'll be warm.
No.
I used to use the other day. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I gotta coat it with oil. It's gotta be coated with oil. It's coated enough, right? Oh,
How long you got to set?
1 hour.
How do I need it?
I already needed it.
But you gotta flatten it, so you gotta knead it more.
Oh, it's warm.
Of course. Oh, squish it.
I gotta roll. Wouldn't the rolling pin work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why'd you do it like that?
It got bubbles. It got gas.
Of course, you know what the gas is from.
Is that deflated enough?
Wait, can I do something?
Wash your hands.
They're clean. Mom,
Take my ring off.
hold on a minute. I want to do something. Watch out. I slapped the dough. Oh, it got on.
So I put it in the pans and let it rise
Oh.
again. So how many do you think I can make?
I'm
Is that
ready.
big long enough?
Kind of long enough.
Hey, Mom.
I don't know.
Why not use the pizza cutter? Wouldn't that be easier?
What are you doing?
I need the boil. I mean, what's a
Are you
boil?
gonna let it rise in the pan?
Yeah, it says let it rise in the pan.
Okay.
So it's gonna have to rise for another 40
You need the
minutes.
butter?
Oil!
Oil.
Oil! I said oil. I got it.
What? Are you recording me?
Yes, I'm recording.
Put that in this Or should I cut it smaller?
That should be good. But I just want to make sure it's good and needed.
Yeah, knead it up and put it,
You know where I got that from?
kind of turn it into a ball and put it in there. And
Oh, I'm wearing mom's ring. Oh.
you shouldn't be.
No, because I'm not married to you, right?
You're my daughter.
Oh.
Renee, get it in the pan right.
I'm beating up the dough.
Roll it out, kind of like. I like this. Right?
What?
Knead it outwards.
Good job.
Okay. Where's that wet stuff? That one's bigger than these two.
And then you kind of get down in there.
They are down in there. Now I get ready for another 40 minutes. For the wet
Another how long?
40.
You just gotta go for another 40 minutes covered, and then we can throw it in the oven.
This one came out better. But I guess it doesn't matter. Should I put them all at once?
Yeah.
400 degrees, 20 to 30 minutes.
Yeah. Here, take this.
Let me pause this.
No.
Yeah. You don't need perverted music in the background.
Renee, I'm recording.
That make it slow.
Hold on, focus. See if it's.
Maybe I didn't see what she ordered. She got mustard and mayo, and then
Yeah.
you order, so call me for something missing up.